This should be short because we're going to show you how to sign in and make an account on Weebly. So what you want to do is go to www.weebly.com or just weebly.com, it will find it, and then go to sign up. From there, you can do your first name, last name, and then see, I can do any email I want. Hopefully I don't already have an account with this one. If I do, I'll have to kind of find you some other resources. And just for my sake, we're going to go ahead and type a password in here because I don't want everyone to see that. Whenever you make a password, you want to keep it secret. And then once you do that, you want to go ahead and go to I agree to Weebly's terms and service. And it says confirm my email. There we go. Now, when you get to this option, you can do a business website if you want to sell things on it. You're probably not there yet. And you probably don't want to spend money on this yet, so please just try the Weebly sites. Now, when you look through, for this class, we're going to be building a portfolio. So you can click on portfolio and see if there's any options you like. Now, you can make a lot of changes to these templates. And that's one reason that I'm actually selecting Weebly, is because when you put the information in, you can switch to another template and it will change most of it over. The other reason is because unlike Wix or unlike some of the others, this will let you download your website when you're done with it if you want to switch to another host. For Wix, it doesn't really have as much ability to change that template and you can't download it afterwards. So you don't own the site because you've used their web builder. It does have a lot more templates, but if you decide to switch it to another host or kind of hack the code apart, you really don't have as many options to do that. So let's say I want this website. It's not which one I used for mine, but cool. I can hit start editing. And when you do that, you're going to get register a new domain name, connect to a domain name you already own, or use a subdomain of Weebly. Now, to register a new domain name, you would request a domain name, but you'll have to pay for it. And then if you want to connect to a domain name you already own, that's another one where you've purchased the domain name, and normally you do a 1 to 5 year subscription for a domain name. Mine's 2. And so that is something you always have to spend money on. So if you want the free site, and we're all students right now, right? Or we're all teachers kind of getting by to make this a little cheaper, I would go ahead and use the subdomain unless you are sure that you own a domain name. And then I could put it in here. I could call it Tina the Baron. Why not? Tina the Baron. Because that's what I use for my YouTube handle and my Twitter handle and my Instagram handle. So why not? So I'd be Tina the Baron at Weebly.com, and then I can continue. And that is how you set up a Weebly site. After that, you're going to build the site and you can publish it, but I'll do that in another presentation just so you don't have to sit here and always watch this intro every time you want to learn that.